motor vehicles. These are always fun because most people own at least one car. Is there an option to pass outside of probate, especially surviving spouses?
Yes. So with motor vehicles, if there's a surviving spouse, things are a little bit easier. Any motor vehicles up to $65,000 of value. So that can be as many vehicles as you have up to that amount. They can pass outside of probate to a surviving spouse. If there's no surviving spouse and there's not a transfer on death designation already listed on the title, then those motor vehicles have to go through the probate court. So they would transfer like everything else. They would either go through the will or they go by intestate succession through the probate court.
All right. Now let's talk about something because you said transfer and death.
Mhm.
Beneficiary. Are there ways that things don't go through probate but still get distributed to beneficiaries?
Yes. So when we're considering assets to go through probate, we consider probate assets or non-probate assets. To be a non-probate asset, it has to be transferred upon the person's death. So they could do planning before they die to set up transfer on death designations for their house, their vehicles, their bank accounts, retirement, basically everything you have. And we see this, bank accounts are normally called payable on death. So that would not have to go through the probate court. They would submit some documentation, have it transferred outside of the probate court. Anything that does not have a designation to transfer upon that person's death would then have to go through probate and would be considered a probate asset.
Great. And we're talking about beneficiaries. So life insurance policies, you often name who the payee is when you die. Car titles, you can put a transfer on death beneficiary. Bank accounts, you can put a transfer on death beneficiary. On your 401ks and investment, those allow beneficiary designations similar to life insurance, and those can pay out outside of probate. On the planning side, you have to take steps before you pass away for those things to pass outside of probate. Okay. Well, this was a lovely conversation, Alex. Thank you.